HydroStore, Advanced Compressed Air Energy Storage, is a cost-effective, emission-free storage solution that can be sited where needed, delivering hundreds of megawatts and 4 to 24 hours of long-duration bulk energy storage. The key benefits of HydroStore Advanced Compressed Air Energy Storage are bulk-scale long-duration energy storage, delivering hundreds of megawatts and 4 to 24 hours of duration. Low installed cost per kilowatt-hour with no fuel costs. No hazardous chemicals or use of fossil fuels. A proprietary built air accumulator allows for flexible project siting. System life up to 50 years with effective unlimited cycling. Built entirely from bankable equipment from Tier 1 OEM suppliers with decades of proven operation, providing low development risk through performance guarantees and bonding availability. Charge, discharge, and storage capacity are set independently to optimize system design. Synchronous generation provides rotational inertia, supporting electrical grid stability and resiliency. The system also delivers voltage support, spinning reserve, black start, and frequency response. Adiabatic process reuses heat from compression, resulting in enhanced round-trip efficiency. HydroStore's technology is uniquely suited to help address electricity system needs for dispatchable capacity, including fossil plant and mine repurposing, as well as renewable integration, transmission deferral, and behind-the-meter or remote applications for mines and large industrial operations. HydroStore, Advanced Compressed Air Energy Storage.